Well, it's going to be a look at, first look as well as a review, unboxing this HP Pavilion all-in-one. This is the model number. This was sent to me from HP. Model number is, it's that one. Here we go, all-in-one touchscreen PC. We'll have a look what you get. Let's open this up. It's literally just arrived. It's a new one from HP. We'll have a look at and a review. You'll have to excuse that mess, I was polishing. And then the postman knocks, and you have to stop everything when you get something new. Right, this might be awkward to film. There it goes. A little bit of nothing. Wireless mouse. Some warranties. One of these sort of plug sockets, power brick, quite a big power brick there, standard keyboard, nice white colour at the bottom, wireless keyboard, but this is the computer, nice base on it, it's very Apple-like, width of it, when you consider it's all inside, that it's not that wide. On the side, well, I'll go through all the ports and stuff when I've powered it up. But it's just a quick look. You have got a little camera there. You've got your mouse. And your keyboard. Very nice looking device. Dog's had enough. Gone. Completely gone. Quick look with Google, you've got the speech, just to show you how the speech works on that as well. Sausage rolls.
According to Wikipedia, a sausage roll is a savoury pastry snack popular in the United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, Netherlands, Canada and Ireland.
We can zoom in, zoom out. Works smooth. It's as smooth as your mobile phone. If you're used to mobile phone touchscreens. Profile wise, just close these down. Profile wise, as you can see, it's not that wide. It's no wider really to me than a normal monitor. And it's good you can tuck all the wires down the back. I will have a go over some bad points in a minute. On the side here, you've got your DVD slot. On this HP, let's go over a couple of points that I don't quite like. First of all, you've got two USB ports underneath. They're half awkward to get to. If you're trying to put like this as a little USB drive here, trying to find where it goes and push it in as well is a bit awkward. You've got your headphone jack this side here, and you've got another USB here, and you've got a memory card like slot, like a multi-adapter slot here, but they're all quite awkward to get to. I'd have pretty much rather them be on the side. Another point, going on to bad points, everything can't be good. The DVD drive does pop out nice, but when it's out, look how flimsy it feels. It ain't going to take much, I don't think, to snap that off. It's another little bad point there. Even though it says it comes with this Bang & Something sound system, the sound on it is not the most powerful you're going to see. There is sound vents, the sound vents I believe come out the bottom here. There's one here and there's one here, but it's not going to blow your eardrums away. It's by no means the quickest, most powerfulest, loudest sound coming from these two speakers. That should have been better if you ask me. Keyboard and mouse wise, I've been using this a good few days. Keyboard and mouse are absolutely fine. I ain't had an issue with them at all. Mouse works fine. Keyboard works fine. Now a battery, so you're gonna have to change the battery every so often. Start up wise, when you turn it off and turn it on, it's gonna start up in 20 seconds max, and it's not even that probably. It powers down, starts up, it's really quick. I've got some, I don't know, what was this? PC mark test, just to show the spec. I'll click that on the video in a minute. The overall, size wise, like I say, it's 23 inch, which gets measured across. You're going to run most things. Now, if we whack on a game, if we just show a game running, you will be able to get, but this is more to do with Windows 10, you will be able to get your PlayStation 4 control pad working with it. I've managed to set that up so you can play your game. Turn this sound down a bit. And here's Minecraft, that I don't really play, so I don't really know the buttons. There we go. I'm guessing these buttons here. No, I don't know the buttons. You ain't going to be able to run your most powerfulest games, but these sort of games you're going to run no problem whatsoever. It's like a Sonic game. So this will run absolutely no problem. So that's a Sonic game, like I say, that'll run no problem. And that's it, this is the HP Pavilion all-in-one piece. Look, it come with a hat for you. You get a free hat. Hey, don't want that hat.